How do you build a production AI platform on AWS for just $100 a month? Here's the architecture that handles 1,500 requests daily across 6 AI providers. API gateway handles auth and rate limiting. A gateway Lambda validates requests and checks budgets. ECS agents orchestrate multi-step workflows. Lambda tools call OpenAI, Anthropic, Cohere, and more. One unified SDK across 6 providers. Switch models with a config change. Built-in cost tracking so you never blow your budget. WebSocket streaming sends real-time updates back to clients. Watch agents think, see intermediate results, and get live progress on complex workflows. 112 tests across the full stack. NX monorepo with OpenAPI specs. Everything type-safe with TypeScript. The complete source code is on GitHub. Read the 8-part article series on dev.to. Link in the description.